Hi, I'm Jeff Tackney.
I'm Jen Tackney.
And we're
Team
TeamTackney.
Tackney. And today, what do you got for us, Jeff? Tell us.
Well, first off, let's start by saying Happy New Year.
New Year, just 1 year. Happy New
Happy
Year.
New Year!
Not New Year's,
And
New Year.
today
Yes.
we have our January 2023 market update. Woo! Numbers, my favorite. So, yeah, let's get into it. So
let's hear
today
it, Jeff.
it's the Orange County, California market update.
Orange County is huge and goes from $100 million, $35 million houses on cliffs overlooking Laguna, Newport, gorgeousness, all the way to probably the lowest you could get, on a single family residence, about $500,000
About
right now.
$500,000 home. Yeah.
Yep. In inland, when you go into inland parts of beautiful Orange County.
Orange County. So for the nerds, I'm going to do some numbers. For the butterflies, I'm going to say, hey, what do those numbers mean? In my personal and professional opinion. So here we go. So we're looking at December numbers because we're in January, the very beginning of January. So in December, new listings, 490. Now that's compared to 830 that we had in November and 896 in the December a year prior. So
we're down 50% from the month prior and the year prior.
Yep.
So we have an inventory issue.
Yep, exactly. That's new listings, homes that are hitting the market. So what about closes, you ask? So in the month of December, 908 closed compared to November, 881. But the year prior, December of 21, 1,575.
Wow.
So we're up slightly from November by 3%, but down 42% year on year. So a lot less closings.
Yes, and that is what we are, going to be seeing into the new year is
Yep.
about 30% on average less transactions than we saw during those low interest rates previous year of 2021.
Exactly. And so now we go into average sales prices. And like Jennifer just mentioned, there's some of the higher end price points have slowed down and kind of dragged things a little bit as far as the overall averages. But on average, sales price, December of 22, $1,435,000 compared to $1,494,000 in November and $1,661,000 year prior. So that is down 13% from year prior, down just 4% from November's averages. And like I said, the bigger, the higher digit stuff, the bigger places, they're slowing down and dragging.
Luxury.
Luxury.
When
yeah.
we say bigger, that's what you mean.
Bigger dollar amount.
Dollar amount, which is typically luxury.
So,
market.
What does that all mean?
Yeah, Jeff, what does that all mean?
In my professional and personal opinion, we're seeing less inventory, although interest rates have gone up and affordability has gone down, so has the inventory. And so what it's done, it's kind of stabilized as far as sales price. There's certainly less homes for sale and less homes selling, but from a sales point and a home value standpoint, we're just kind of cruising.
Yeah, so there's not going to be a huge drop in home values because the inventory, they're just not there to bring
Yeah, people are just
supply and demand.
They're staying in their homes and they're not selling. Until that changes, we're not going to see any sort of drop. And in fact, depending on what takes place with the economy, if the federal government needs to stimulate the economy, the only way they can really do it is drop interest rates, and that might take place towards the end of this year. And if inventory doesn't go up, stays where it's at, and interest rates go down, prices will
go up.
So,
but it's forecasted to go down about anywhere from 5 to 9% again this next year, which is still up from 2018 numbers. Mm-hmm. So we had such a huge appreciation that these little mini drops aren't bringing us down to 2018 numbers. Yep. So really a great time to buy, because this time of year we tell our sellers, our buyers all the time, and our sellers, that it does slow down a touch, even in California, from Halloween to about Super Bowl Sunday.
Yep.
There's just a lot less activity in the real estate market. Every year I look at Jeff and think, should we apply for Starbucks? But we don't.
You'd make a great barista.
I would, but
Just saying.
you know,
But no.
we don't.
We're in it
we
for the
stick
long
it
haul.
out. We stick it out and we wait for Super Bowl Sunday. And we have transactions going. It's just not, we're just not out of breath, constant movement. There's a little slower time period during this time of year. So it's a great time to be a buyer. That's for sure.
And remember, every home and every situation is unique. So for your own home, your own situation, give us a call. We'd love to be of service. Remember to hit the subscribe button down below and give us a thumbs up.
And you can leave a comment too. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.